Understanding girlfriend don't order washing machine. No, oh my god, stop playing, stop playing. So guys, the dispatch rider is here. So come with me, let's go and get it. Hey, you know it's you. So I can't dey follow this man. They thought say make you just at least me find work for me now. Say I dey find work. Oh. The man come dey give me updates and how I go to go about am. Sha na joke I be just dey follow am dey joke. But if you say I dey serious, but we come just talk till him come drive comot. Guys, so let's go to the house and unbox it. I no go lie, I be dey fear oh Jesus, because first was pay on delivery. Na what first give me the morale to order this thing, because it's na pay online before you get it for life. I'm not trying to order am. So guys, let's unbox the washing machine. I just dey pray, I dey fear make no be wetin I ordered. This is what I got. So this is the washing machine. But at first I was confused because it was too small. Like I was like, Jesus, this is not what I saw online. No, my heart don't dey cut me. That is small now, because first they say you can use to wash your undies, your rag, your towel, like soft things like that, which means it cannot wash jeans or hard stuff. But I said okay, no wahala now. But I was not trying to set it up. The fact that they gave me menu to use and set it up, but I no gree use menu. I want to use my head, do it by myself. First, the thing don't dey stand up. I said okay, at least it's not as small as I thought it would be small. So trying to locate where this one will be and everything. Well, it had gone, and that's even the menu. But I could not even follow it up. I just use my head, they do it by myself. Now today I know say I go school. Say I no book. Only me figure out how to set this thing up without even reading the menu. Jesus, I deserve an award for this. But the fear whether I get it wrong or not. But anyhow, I still kept on going. So I saw this wire. I can't find where I go plug and put, because I don't turn the rubber. I need to see before I come and see where I go plug and put. I can't plug am. But never can't take light. I say, Jesus, which kind wahala be this? I can't guys wait make they bring light so that I go fit test time. But I happy say I was able to set it up. So after I can't set the thing up, I can't put two dirty gown inside the stuff. I can't put my water inside. But at some point where I plug the thing, like the thing dey shake. So I can't fear me it no blow. I can't carry and go paddle, go plug am for there. No I say they actually be my fly. So this was where the magic was about to begin. I plug this thing, no. She better say I plug am. I can't dey feel whether hey God though, I don't do wrong setting. The thing can't dey turn. I say hey, I get that. That kind of joy. I was so happy. Oh, you bought thing. The thing can't dey turn, no. They turn. I can't just come on my hand first because I was thinking in my hand they made it in the turn. So I come on my hand, the thing see the turn. I say hey, now so washing machine they be. The thing can't stop. I can't dey feel. I can't dey feel that the thing don't spoil or something. The next thing can't pick up back. I said, chai, oh this thing. I said I just started to look this thing they turn, they sweet me. So of course my cover I might wait after maybe 10 or 15 minutes. But guess what? NEPA can't take light. You pay me, But I can't say my chair where the water change color to brown or something, that kind of thing. But it didn't change color. I'm saying really wash to throw. Kai, my days of suffering are over. Oh, you bought it, Jesus. It's nice. For those of you that will be asking how much I got it, I bought it 37,000 naira in Calabar. But na order, online order, so I buy on 37k. And they said it can only wash soft clothes though, like your wrapper, your t-shirts, your pants, and your undies, your towel, like soft things like that, you understand? So if you are interested, you can place an order.